Learn one word daily. I tried, but I failed. I'm not ready. What is your name? All students passed. They were late. We study together. When will you come? Your bag is here. I can swim. She said hello. There is cat outside. Use this pen. He eat an apple. Each student has a book. Which color do you like? Do your homework. How are you? Their house is big. If you study, you'll succeed. I will help you. Look up at the stars. I need another book. Tell me about it. Go out. We have many friends. Eat, then sleep. I know them. These are my keys. I was tired, so I slept. I need some water.